Welcome to Lee Vietnam Journey. Today, we make the ultimate refreshing treat, fruit pearl yogurt.
We start with the freshest, most colorful fruits we can find.
First, we need to clean our beautiful strawberries.
Slice them into small, bite-sized cubes.
Look at that vibrant red color. So juicy. Next is the sweet tropical mango. Try to cut them roughly the same size as the strawberries.
The golden color is absolutely stunning.
Kiwi adds a wonderful tangy flavor and beautiful green color. Our colorful fruit topping is nearly ready. The fresh fruit prep is coming along perfectly. And finally, some refreshing watermelon.
Don't they look amazing together?
Now, let's prepare the chewy tapioca pearls.
Always add pearls to boiling water, never cold.
Give them a gentle stir so they don't stick.
When they float, they're almost ready.
Subscribe to Lee Vietnam Journey if you love chewy boba pearls.
Look how shiny they are. Time to drain them.
The cold sugar bath stops the cooking and keeps them chewy.
Let them soak up that sweetness for a few minutes.
While the pearls cool, let's mix the yogurt base. Use your favorite plain or slightly sweetened yogurt.
This is the secret to that rich, creamy Vietnamese flavor.
Mix until everything is perfectly smooth and combined.
That texture is exactly what we want.
Now for the fun part, assembling our beautiful drink. Start with a layer of crushed ice to keep it frosty. Add a generous amount of those chewy pearls. Hit like if this is already making you incredibly hungry.
Pour that rich yogurt mixture right over the top.
Watch how it settles beautifully.
Now, let's layer our colorful fresh fruits.
The sweet golden mango goes next.
Don't forget the tangy kiwi.
And top it off with fresh red watermelon.
It looks like a little tropical fruit garden in a glass.
For extra texture, add some fresh shredded coconut.
And finally, some golden roasted peanuts for crunch.
And there it is, our beautiful Vietnamese fruit pearl yogurt.
Look at that amazing, refreshing condensation.
Are you ready to taste this? I know I am entirely ready.
You have to mix it well to get absolutely everything in one perfect bite.
Look at those beautiful natural colors marbling together.
Get those chewy pearls moving up from the bottom.
It is perfectly mixed and entirely ready now.
The perfect bite, completely creamy, fruity, and chewy.
Let us give it a delicious try.
That is absolutely and totally incredible.
The peanuts add such a fantastic, great crunch.
It gets even better as the crushed ice melts a little.
Share this amazing video if you want to make this weekend.
It is almost too beautiful to eat. Almost. Those black pearls are cooked perfectly. The watermelon is so refreshing against the rich yogurt. Homemade is always the absolute best.
The perfect, relaxing afternoon treat.
So incredibly cool and entirely refreshing.
I could eat this amazing dessert every single day.
Do not skip the lovely shredded coconut.
Getting every last delicious drop of flavor.
It is disappearing so fast.
Look how incredibly rich that condensed milk made it. The kiwi adds such a nice and bright tang.
A beautiful drink completely deserves a beautiful setting.
Enjoying nature perfectly with a sweet treat.
Comment below what tropical fruits you would add.
Still perfectly and totally cold.
You can feel the wonderful chill just looking at it.
Save some golden crunch for the very end.
It is entirely delicious right down to the last sip.
All gone. That was completely amazing.
Maybe I will definitely make another one later.
Cleanup is completely easy too.
I absolutely love cooking in this cozy kitchen.
Thank you for joining Live Vietnam Journey today. bringing you the absolute best of Vietnamese flavors. Fruit Pearl Yogurt. Please leave a like if you truly enjoyed this recipe. And subscribe for more delicious videos every single week. Ring the bell so you absolutely never miss out.
Happy eating, everyone! See you next time!